Most faceless YouTube channels fail, but not for the reason you think. And if you don't understand this, you could spend months uploading videos and never know why nothing is working. You can make money on YouTube without showing your face, but 90% of people will never make $1. Not because it's hard, but because they're doing this completely wrong from day one. Most people aren't building a channel, they're just posting into the void. I'm Axel, your host at Make Money AI. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what's actually going on and how to fix it. Because faceless YouTube isn't random. It's predictable, if you understand the system. Most people start the same way. Random ideas, random uploads, no structure, and then they wait, and nothing happens. If your content feels random, your results will be random. No views, no growth, no momentum. And then they say YouTube is saturated. It's not. They just never built this properly. Everything starts with your niche, and this is where most people mess up instantly. If your content is all over the place, YouTube has no clue who to show it to, which means you stay invisible. If YouTube can't understand your channel, it will never push it. So the fix is simple. You go specific. Not fitness, fat loss. Not money, making money online. Not self-improvement, confidence. Because when you focus in, something powerful happens. Your videos start feeding each other. And that's when growth becomes explosive. But even if you get this right, most people still fail because of how they create content. Faceless YouTube is not hard. You don't need a camera. You don't need expensive gear. You can build videos using stock clips, slides, screen recordings, even basic visuals. That's not the problem. This is your script. If your script is boring, people leave instantly. If your script is sharp, people stay, even if the video is simple. People don't leave bad videos, they leave boring ones. That's the truth. The best videos don't just explain things, they pull you forward. They answer one thing, and immediately make you curious again. That's what keeps people watching. And watch time is everything. Now here's where most people completely fall apart, even if their content looks decent. They guess. They guess what videos to make. They guess what works. And then they wonder why nothing grows. If you're guessing on YouTube, you're already losing, because YouTube rewards patterns. So instead, you study what's already working. Find videos in your niche getting views. Break them down. Topic, title, angle. Then do one thing. Make it better. Not different. Better. You don't need a new idea. You need better execution. That's how videos actually take off. But here's the part almost nobody understands. Even if one video works, that alone won't grow your channel. Your videos need to connect. Same topics, same audience, same direction. Because when one video hits, it pulls the others with it. One viral video is luck. A connected channel is how you win. That's how channels actually grow fast. Now let's talk about money, because this is where people think way too small. Most people only think about ads. That's it. But that's a mistake. Ads are just one layer. The real money comes from leverage, affiliate products, digital products, sponsorships. Because once you have attention, you can turn it into income. Views don't make money. Attention does. That's the shift. So if you want this to actually work, pick a niche with demand. Go specific. Keep your content simple. Make your scripts engaging. Study what already works. Connect your videos. That's how you build something that actually grows. And the reason most people never make money doing this is because they never follow a system like this. They just keep guessing. At this point, you already understand more than most people trying to do this. You know how to structure your channel, how to choose the right niche, and how to actually keep people watching. That alone puts you ahead of the majority. But here's what most people don't realize. Even when everything looks right on the surface, most channels still fail at the final step. And they don't even know why. Which means they keep posting, keep trying, and stay stuck for months, while other channels pass them. So if you don't want that to be you, like and subscribe to the Make Money AI channel now. Because what I'm about to break down next is the part that actually decides whether you make money or stay invisible.